Akshit Singh, Sri Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, a picture of politeness and grace, always believes in rule-based regime, is both advocate like me and currently serving his third term in this august house. Continually from 2011, first 2011 to 17, 2017 to 2023, and 2023 is still counting. He is a veteran leader of the All India Trinamool Congress, consistently working at the grassroots with sublime commitment to public service. He has always been participant in parliamentary debates, exhibiting due diligence and highest consideration to the chair. His nomination to the panel of vice chairpersons for 7 times, July 2014, April 2018, July 2020, July 2022, December 2022, July 2023, and June 2024 reflects his keen interest in parliamentary decorum and knowledge of procedure. Beyond his legislative role, Sri Ray has been a member of the National Jute Board 2015 to 2020, and that incidentally takes care of about 4 million farmers. The Honorable Agriculture Minister is here. Served as the Vice President of Calcutta High Court Bar Association from 2009 to 2011. A prolific writer, has authored several notable books including Chaitarini 2009 and Pranab Mukherjee, The All Seasons Man 2010, and has also served as the editor of Jago Bangla, a Bengali daily. Married to late Srimati Mahashweta Rai, the couple are blessed with daughter Shashwati Rai. Shri R. Dharmar is representing the state of Tamil Nadu in this august house as a member of parliament since 2022, serving his first term. An agriculturist by profession, Shri Dharmar holds a BA degree and as a dedicated member of all AIADMK party, continues to serve the people of Tamil Nadu in all earnestness and commitment. Widely respected as a local leader, he has earned a strong reputation as a grassroots representative, tirelessly addressing the needs and aspirations of his community and others. Married to late Srimati Shivkami, the couple is blessed with daughters Anandi and Indu Priya. Honorable members, on my own and on behalf of this house, I wish them a long, healthy and happy life and extend greetings to their family members and friends. Honorable members, 1 second, equally important, farewell. Honorable members, reception of members in this house and farewell are very touching moments. Farewell is not a disconnect. It is only their absence from the house. And sometimes, and for the members of this house more often than not, their presence is as impactful as their absence. Two of our esteemed colleagues, Shri Birendra Prasad Bashe and Shri Mission Ranjan Das, representing the state of Assam, will retire from this House in their present term on June 14, 2025. All of us will miss their presence as their dedicated service and contributions have enriched the deliberations and their informed discourse has been enlightening. Shri Birendra Prasad Bashe, a senior parliamentarian, experienced leader, served as a member of 11th Lok Sabha and now in his second term in Rajya Sabha. He also held the office of Union Minister of Steel and Mines from 1996 to 1998. Shri Bashe has been a distinguished voice in this House, actively engaging in discussions on key issues concerning Assam's development and welfare of its people. He has been ever alert to seek attention of the chair. His keen insights and unwavering commitment to societal upliftment are truly commendable. Notably, his dedication to public causes, particularly in promoting sports and youth development, has been remarkable. His contributions to policy discussions, especially in infrastructure, industrial growth and social justice, will be remembered with great appreciation by this House. He has advocated and strongly appreciated the phenomenal development in the Northeast. Shri Mission Ranjan Das, a dedicated public servant, staunch advocate for the rights of the people of Assam, brings with him vast legislative experience, having served 4 terms as a member of the Assam Legislative Assembly. He held key positions as chairman of the Assam Industrial Development Corporation and the Assam State Transport Corporation, contributing significantly to state's economic and infrastructural growth. His active participation in legislative debates and his unwavering commitment to progress of the state have been praiseworthy. He has worked tirelessly to address concerns of the people, particularly those in rural area, in the field of education and self-employment generation. His efforts to strengthen democratic values, improve administration and governance have been of immense value to the proceedings of this House. Honorable members, I place on record my heartfelt appreciation for the contributions and service referred by both the members to parliamentary democracy and to society at large. Their dedication, wisdom and experience have enriched the functioning of this House. On behalf of the entire House, I extend my best wishes to Shri Birendra Prasad Bashe and Shri Mission Ranjan Das for good health, happiness and long fulfilling years ahead. The House shall always cherish their associations. Honorable members, I need to inform, for ex-members, my office has a dedicated service. If they inform my office, they are taken care of for logistics and transport, so that they should have no such difficulty. Papers to be laid on the table. One second. It will be difficult for me to grant any permission. I have to take up the listed business. One second. One second. one second. You are raising the issue under what rule? तो 0 आवर आने दीजिए। पीयूष गोयल जी, केशव जी, सुनिए, Mr. Piyush Goyal, you are familiar with the rules. If you yourself say you want to raise it in 0 hour, let the 0 hour come. Shri Pratap Rao Jadhav.
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सन्मुख उल्लेखित विषय से संबंधित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
डॉक्टर एल मुरुगन।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Shri Jitin Prasad, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 2, Class B of today's revised list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Commerce and Industry.
Shrimati Anupriya Patel.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2C in the revised list of business for today.
Shri Kamlesh Paswan.
अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवाही के क्रम संख्या 2 भाग 1 के खंड पर अपने नाम के समक्ष ग्रामीण विकास मंत्रालय से संबंधित सूचीबद्ध विवरण सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री रवनीत सिंह।
Respected Chairman, sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2F in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
श्री पवित्र मार्गरीटा।
मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची के अनुसार क्रम संख्या 2J पर मेरे नाम के सन्मुख उल्लिखित कागजातों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
लेइंग ऑफ CAG रिपोर्ट्स, डॉक्टर एल मुरुगन।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Shri Pankaj Chaudhary, I rise to lay on the table a copy of in English and Hindi of the following reports under Class 1 of Article 151 of Constitution. Report of the Controller and Auditor General of India on complaints of the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2003 for the year 2022-23, Union Government, Department of Economic Affairs, Report number 3 of 2025, and Report of the Controller and Auditor General of India for the period ended March 2023, Union Government, Ministry of Railways, Report number 5 of 2025, Complaints Audit Railways. Number 2, a copy in English and Hindi of the report of the Controller and Auditor General of India, General Purpose Financial Reports of the Central Public Service Enterprises for the period ended March 2022, Union Government Commercial Report number 6 of 2025, Complaints Audit under Class 2 of Section 19A of the Controller and Auditor General Duties, Powers and Conditions of Service Act 1971.
Well, you have to lay one paper also, Dr. L. Murugan. It was Shri Murlidhar Mohul. It was listed at item number 4. Go ahead.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House as mentioned against my name, serial number 21G in the list of business for today.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Housing and Urban Affairs, Dr. Medha Vishram Kulkarni.
Namaste, sir. Sir, I rise to lay the fifth report, Hindi and English versions of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Housing and Urban Affairs 2024-25 on the subject Regional Rapid Transit System and role of NCRTC listed against my name in today's list of business.
Statements by Ministers. Shri रामनाथ ठाकुर।
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आज के लिए संशोधित कार्यवाही में मेरे वरिष्ठ श्री शिवराज सिंह चौहान जी के नाम से आगे क्रम संख्या 4 ख के समक्ष दर्शाए गए वक्तव्य जो कृषि अनुसंधान और शिक्षा विभाग, कृषि एवं किसान कल्याण मंत्रालय के अनुदान मांगों 2024-25 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित कृषि, पशुपालन और खाद्य प्रसंस्करण संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के दूसरे प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में है एक विवरण सभापटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री रामनाथ ठाकुर।
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आज के लिए संशोधित कार्यवाली में मेरे नाम के आगे क्रम संख्या 4 ग के समक्ष दर्शाए गए वक्तव्य जो पीएम किसान योजना के अधीन भारत के आकस्मिक निधि से धनराशि आहरित करने के संबंध में है, एक विवरण सभापटल पर रखता हूं।
Matters raised with permission. One second. Honorable members, if all of you shout, Mr. Piyush Goyal, if members shout, I can't make out what are they saying. Shivraj Chauhan, sir, you are a senior minister, I can't make out what they are saying. What are you saying? कह क्या रहे हैं आप?
भर्तियों को निरस्त किया था।
आप कह क्या रहे हैं?
सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने भी हाईकोर्ट के निर्णय को यथावत बरकरार
आप बैठिए और शालीनता से बैठिए। सुनिए एक बार रुकिए एक बार शालीनता से बैठिए। और लक्ष्मीकांत वाजपेयी जी, आपको कहना क्या है? विषय बताइए, क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
2016 में पश्चिमी बंगाल में 25,000 शिक्षक और गैर शिक्षक कर्मचारियों की भर्ती हुई थी। उन भर्तियों में निर्धारित मानदंडों का उल्लंघन हुआ था। माननीय उच्च न्यायालय पश्चिमी बंगाल ने उस पर निर्णय दिया था कि ये भर्तियां सब निरस्त कर दी थी, कैंसिल कर दी थी। पश्चिमी बंगाल की सरकार गई उसके विरुद्ध सुप्रीम कोर्ट में। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी चीफ जस्टिस की बेंच ने हाईकोर्ट के निर्णय को यथावत बरकरार रखा है। एक बात खाली कही है कि इन कर्मचारियों को जो रखे गए थे नौकरी से निकाला जाए, इनकी तनख्वाह की रिकवरी न की जाए। माननीय सरकार ने सारी भर्ती प्रक्रिया को टेंटेड किया है, जो वहां के रूल्स और रेगुलेशन से उनका उल्लंघन किया है। ये हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के लेवल पर साबित हो चुका है। मेरा केवल इतना कहना है कि और ओबीसी के साथ अन्याय किया है, ओबीसी के कोटे को पूरा नहीं किया है। इसलिए हमारा ये विषय है कि सदन संरक्षक है प्रक्रिया का।
One second, point of order. One second. Shri Derek O'Brien, please. Given floor to Shri Derek O'Brien.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me the floor. As the people of India are saying, the BJP treasury benches are disrupting parliament. They are disrupting parliament. They are raising slogans. They are not allowing me to make my point. Sir, please protect me and allow me to make my point.
I have given floor to Shri Derek O'Brien.
Yes, sir. I seek your indulgence, sir. Keep the house in order.
Honorable
BJP MPs are on their feet.
The house is not in order.
Sir, the BJP MPs are on their feet. The BJP is disrupting government. We were not allowed to raise a single issue. issue in Parliament. We have not been allowed to raise a single issue in